Money by Mary Rayna. Gail Saunders Smith, PhD, Consulting Editor. Save money as a family for fun activities or special dinners. Reasons to save. Saving money means you keep some of the money you earn. Saving lets you make some of your own money choices. You might need a new book bag next year. You might want a new bicycle next summer. Saving money now will help you buy things in the future. Saving money at home. Mike wants a video game. He has $15. The game costs $40. Mike will have to save his money to buy the video game. Start a new save jar each time you want to save for an item, activity, or event. Mike earns $5 a week doing chores. He saves $3 in a jar labeled Save. He puts the other $2 in a jar labeled Spend. You can use the money in your spend jar to buy items you want now. Cindy buys a cupcake at school. Saving over time. Start saving now, and you'll have money when you need it later. Pick a way to save that works best for you.